Here we have a 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This thing is absolutely beautiful. This, with just a little over 7,000 actual miles on it. Extremely well taken care of. And of course it's got all or most of the goodies you'd ever want on it. That's for the Street Glide. It's got the hard side bags. The 114 cubic inch. All the power you'd ever need as well. Take a look and turn the dash on here. As you can see, it does have the climate control grips there for you. 7,400 miles on the bike. It's got the short windshield, so it gives you some protection, but you still got great visibility as well. Now you can see all the still pictures of this bike on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, just as a reminder. Let's go ahead and fire it up. The yellow lights quit flashing, of course, once it goes through the cycle. Just takes a little bit, of course. I'll go back and show you that in a little bit. Good sounding bike, not horrible. It's got a good sound, but it's not obnoxious or over loud or anything like that. Forward controls, pegs, passenger pegs, of course, heat deflectors. Look inside the bags. Again, this is a one-owner bike, a little over 7,000 actual miles on it. Still pictures of this bike will be on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Even on motorcycles, yes, trades are considered. Financing is available, and as well as worldwide transport. So don't miss your chance to get this great looking 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Glide.